where the news comes first. This is KCRA3 News.
Helping uplift Sacramento foster youth. The event today making sure kids have the essential items they need in difficult times. In news here at home, dozens of volunteers in Sacramento teamed up today to help uplift local foster youth. This was the scene at the Pacific Neon Company. For the 5th year in a row, Anthem Blue Cross and Sacramento's 2030 Club hosted a packing party for foster kids. Volunteers put together 500 of those backpacks filled with things like new socks, blankets, stuffed animals, dental kits, and more. Those helping out today say oftentimes foster youth enter the system with just the clothes on their back or a few items in a garbage bag. And these comfort cases offer them hope, dignity, and support during tough times.
When children are displaced, they're able to get one of these cases at a receiving home or the various organizations, and then when they go to a new spot, they have important belongings like new pajamas, toiletries, a fresh bar of soap, reading material, journal, those kind of things that they wouldn't have them with them otherwise.
It's important resources. Those backpacks will soon go to those kids in need. Here in California, there are 60,000 children in the foster care system. It's estimated that 700 kids enter foster care every day.